If you want to change icon color on Google Pixel 10a, if you wish to have all app icons in a single color on the home screen, then first of all we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we have to scroll down a little bit and then go to the Wallpaper and Style option. In here, we're gonna swipe to the home screen and swipe from the bottom to the upper side of the phone to reveal this section. First, we can go to Icons and you can enable Themed Icons. This option allows you to change the color for these icons. And these colors are picked based on the system color in here. So we can go to colors in this place and then you can choose a different color palette in this place. So you can choose your favorite one. Also, we can switch from wallpaper colors to other colors as well. Remember to use the apply button in the upper right corner to set the color. Unfortunately, in my case, it didn't change for some reason, but we should be able to, for example, revert that change and then set it again. Hopefully this time it's going to work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe